Hey yo, I been con, Bentley tints on, Fendi prints on. I mean I been storm, X-Men been form. He keep on dialing Nikki like the prince on. I been on, been con, Bentley tints on.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva. Today I'm gonna be installing a lace front wig by this company. I believe it's pronounced Tinashe. I'm not sure, but let's get right to it. With the wig, I got this nice little goodie bags and I'm gonna show you guys what's in it. The first thing I pulled out was a bonnet, and it's like a gold color, which I really like. And I'm definitely gonna be wearing this to keep my wigs looking fresh. I also got this stocking cap. It came with two of them and I'll be using one to install my wig today. I got a pair of lash, which I think I might be wearing one of these days. And this little scarf right here to tie down your edges, and this I definitely will be using in this video today. I'm not saying that company have to do this, but I usually like it when they add extra stuff to your purchase to make you feel, you know, special. And this is just a little pamphlet with instruction on how to take care of your wigs. This is the wig that I'll be installing today. I want to say it's the color T1B30. I'm not sure, but I'll leave the correct information in the description box below, so please check that out. Also, I'll leave the link for this hair just in case you guys want to grab the same one for yourself. Here I'm just trying it on to see how much I need to personalize it to my liking before I install it. And this will give me an idea of what exactly I need to do. For example, the sides are definitely going to need some plucking before I could install this unit, just so it will look more realistic. But before I customize my wig, I'm going to do a ball cap, and this is where I put a stocking cap on my head and blend it in with my skin to make it look almost like I have no hair in my head. I'm cutting these holes out over my ears to allow my stocking cap to lay closer to my scalp. I'm using my Got2b glue-free spray today to hold my stocking cap onto my skin. After spraying the free spray on it, I dried completely with my blow dryer. This is something I'm trying for the first time. I'm using my eyeliner pencil to line out where I want to cut the stocking cap. I realized that when I cut it without doing this, I'm cutting it in places that I don't want to cut, and places that I need to cut, I don't cut. So this works so much better for me. Now I'm going to cut off the excess stocking cap following the lines that I made. Honestly, this worked out so much easier, but I say whatever works for you, you do it. It's totally optional. Now I'm going to use my Got2b glue to seal any parts that might be lifting around the edges. Then I'm gonna dry that completely with my blow dryer. I'm using my foundation to blend the color of the stocking cap to match with my skin tone. And I'm only gonna be applying the foundation to the front area since it's a lace front wig and I won't be needing to part it anywhere in the back. I'm cleaning away the excess makeup from the area where I'll be applying the glue. Now to customize my wig, I'm gonna pluck some of the hair from the side, and this will help it to look more natural instead of looking wiggy, if you know what I mean. As you notice, I part little sections out and then I pluck as I go along, and this will help to give it a more gradient look. When you're plucking, you want to make sure you don't take too much from one section because you don't want to have your wig looking like you have a bald spot. So just be mindful when you're doing that. If you think that you have plucked enough, you could just brush the hair back, check it out, and if not, you could go again and pluck some more. And this will guide you into plucking enough hair to make your wig look natural. Now I'm just showing you on the left the side that's done versus on the right the side that isn't done yet so you could see the difference. Now that I've completed plucking both sides, you could see how nicely it looked and how natural. And if you want, you could go ahead and pluck more to your liking. After I was done plucking the edges, I put it on, and as you can see, it's hanging over my ears, so I'm gonna have to cut some of the lace off, and that's what I'm about to do. So because my head is so small, I have these extra pieces of lace on the sides. So in order for it to fit me properly, I have to cut these off. When cutting it, I have to pull my hair back and get it out the way so I'm not cutting anything that I'm not trying to cut. Now that the wig is nicely prepped and it's exactly how I want it, it's time for me to glue it down. Today I'm using Ghost Bond as my preferred choice of glue because I really like the way it works. When I'm using this glue, I like to add only a little bit at a time, and I use my finger to spread it out to where it's really clear, and then I dry it with the blow dryer super dry. After the first application is completely dry, I go again with a second application and I do it the same way. I then go in with a third application, but this time I don't dry it completely because I want the glue to be able to stick onto it. I then pull the wig down on it while it's still not completely dry and then hold it in place before drying it completely with the dryer. I went ahead to the side and did the same thing that I did in the front. Now that I'm done applying the wig, I'm gonna cut the lace off of it. And I choose to cut the lace off afterwards because I feel like it's much more easier to handle this way. Now I'm going to take some hair out to make some baby hair, and I'm not going to cut these. Usually I don't cut them unless I really have to. I think I like it better not cut. This way the next time I'm ready to apply my wig I don't have to deal with them. So as you can see, I style the baby hair and then I sweep it right back into the wig, and this is how I do it without cutting it. Sometimes I put my wig on without the baby hair, and this is the reason why I did not cut them. So maybe the next time I'm gonna put this wig on, I don't want to do baby hair. Now I'm parting my hair on the side, and after parting it, I'm gonna add foundation on the root just to brighten up the part a little bit more. As I was adding the foundation on the root, I got some on the hair where I didn't want it, so now I'm using my mascara to get it out. I'm using the mousse to train the hair how I want it. Some people use a hot comb, which works also, but I rather to use the mousse because I feel like it works so much better, especially when you have curly hair. So I need my hair to dry some more, so I'm gonna tie it down for about 30 minutes to an hour while I do my makeup so it could be completely dry. First I use the head wrap paper to tie it, and then I use the scarf that I got with my hair. The paper sits better against the wet hair while the silk scarf holds it tighter. At this point my hair is completely dry, so I'm gonna remove the scarf and see what it looks like. And I love it. Everything is set in place just the way I wanted it. And this is what it looks like from the back. I am so in love with it. I really love the color streaks that it has in it. I did make a big boo-boo though, as much as I love it so much. I forgot to add my foundation on my forehead after removing my scarf, so you guys may notice that in the video. So just pretend you didn't see that, or not. Anyway, I really love this unit. Installing it was not that bad, and I think all the time that I spent on it was definitely worth it. I think it's a beautiful fall color, and that's a win-win for me because I really love fall. I want to give a big shout out to Tinashe Hair for sponsoring this video. I will leave their information down below in the description box, so please check that out. As for the info for this unit, I will link it down below just in case you guys want to get one for yourself. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do so. I would really appreciate it. And thank you guys so much for 25K. Yes baby, we're at 25K. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.